the Istituto Lorenzo de' Medici event planning students have got together to create and organize the perfect party for any pasta lover. The event planning class have explored this versatile ingredient to throw a one-of-a-kind event to celebrate its many uses and forms through interactive pasta workshops, photo contests and delicious recipes to bring home. The night kicked off with an introduction from Professore Cinotti, followed by an array of performances and a special performance from the LDM choir, to be finished by a buffet and pasta workshops.
Well, I'm actually going to school to be an event planner, so this class taught me everything I need to know for my career later in life. We literally started everything from just picking the theme of the event, and from there on we chose the menu. I learned how to go on site inspections where you got to see where you were going to have the event located, and it really gave me a lot of tips for the future and stuff, and it showed me exactly what an event planner has to do in the real life.
An evening dedicated to the world and Italy's favourite dish, pasta, made with an unleavened dough of durum wheat flour mixed with water or eggs and formed into sheets and exciting shapes before being cooked by boiling or baking. It has existed for centuries and has become a staple in all kitchens, not just Italian. Not only has the evening provided an opportunity to gain an understanding of a fundamental part of Italian culture, but also to learn teamworking, organisational and problem-solving skills.
Well, I would like that my students learn to plan all aspects of event planning in a way to create a program and a setup which exceeds the expectations of the guests. Oh, I think they did great. They have been very proactive and enthusiastic the entire semester. I think everybody enjoyed planning this event, and I really hope that for them this will remain not only a great memory of a whole semester spent in Italy, but also beginning of an exciting career in event planning.